Hi Travel Bees, welcome back to another week, and I am excited this week to share number 5 with you on my solo adventure loop out west. If you guys have been following me on Instagram, Facebook, or on here, then you guys know that a few weeks back I took a solo road trip adventure around the western part of the USA, and I went to Colorado, Utah, Montana, Wyoming, Idaho, and just got to see so many beautiful states that we have here in the US. So it's been really exciting to share with you guys the bits and pieces from my trip to give you guys a glimpse of what I experienced out there because it was absolutely gorgeous. So today's video is going to be about my drive through Arches National Park, which was incredible and felt like a whole nother world when I was driving through it. I'm excited to bring you guys along for this journey, and I hope that you guys have enjoyed the other vlog videos that I've done. I'll go ahead and link those below in the description so that you guys can check them out as well. So this video is number 5, and I'm going through my trip just as I took it in the numbering of these videos. If you're here for the first time, welcome. If you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate all the support that you guys have given me and continue to give me on my journey through the YouTube world. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell as well. Doing one or all of these things actually help me a lot as a YouTube creator, and it helps me to continue creating content for you guys and bringing you guys along for my journey as I travel the world and the US. Make sure you guys stay to the end because I do have an announcement for you guys. But for now, let's get into the video and show you guys a piece of Utah. Alright guys, I am approaching Arches National Park. I'm really excited to drive through it. Here it is. Here we go. Now there is a scenic highway all the way through this. We are going to take a picture with the sign. Alright, so we're driving through Arches National Park. That's about to come out. Ooh-wee. These structures are insane. park goes forever and ever. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know that it's been awesome for me to relive these experiences and end up showing them with you guys. I did promise you guys an announcement at the end of this video, so if you guys made it this far, thanks so much, and I am so excited to share this information with you. I have been working on, for a while now, a passion project of mine, and it is starting a nonprofit organization called the Traveling Youth. I am extremely excited about this. We already have an Instagram and a Facebook page if you guys want to check that out. The whole goal of the nonprofit is to help pay for underprivileged youth in the US to take study abroad trips from here in the US to Europe. So it's going to be paying for those students to experience things that they would otherwise never have the opportunity to be able to do so. I am so excited to get this launched, and if you guys value travel or just know what it's like to be in a position where you can't afford to be able to experience something that is so valuable, go ahead and support us in our mission, and you can do that just by following us on Instagram or liking the Facebook page and just spreading the word about it. Doesn't necessarily need to be a monetary donation right now, but there are some pieces still being put in process. I just wanted you guys to be the first to know that I'm launching this, and I just wanted to share the good news. So if you guys want to go check that out, you guys can follow us on Instagram or Facebook at The Traveling Youth USA. As for next week's video is going to be us going into Idaho, which was stunning, and I cannot wait to share pieces of Idaho with you. So make sure you guys stay tuned. If you did like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me. Also subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to get notified of all the amazing videos that I have planned for you guys. I also host a Travel Tip Tuesday every Tuesday with a new guest, usually a traveler or someone in the travel industry of some sorts, and we talk about travel in some way, shape, or form, and it has been so amazing to learn from all of the people all around the world about traveling and what to expect in the future or tips on traveling. So if you guys want to check that out, I'll link some of that below in the description. We go live every Tuesday night, Eastern Standard Time, around 7 p.m. Just depends on where that person is in the world, because sometimes the times are a little off. I hope that you guys are having an amazing week, and I can't wait to see you guys next week. Have a great one. Bye.